the sitting area. Round of applause and greet our new principal, Reverend Father Jacob Bonner D'Souza. Our new principal, and welcome him as well as welcome the other dignitaries too. Over to
Bonner D'Souza, newly appointed principal, Reverend Father Reginald D'Souza, our principal, our headmistress, Reverend Sister Shushila Remy, our former headmistress, Reverend Sister Antoinette, esteemed faculty members, and all my dear students. Gesture that makes everyone feel at home. Nothing else warms the heart than the affectionate words of welcome. It's with great excitement that this bright morning we have all gathered here to welcome our principal, new principal, Reverend Father Jacob Bonner D'Souza, to this prestigious institution, St. Peter's School and College, which serves the society by imparting high-quality education. On this gracious day, I, Mrs. Rekha Srivastava, on behalf of the entire St. Peter's family, extend a cordial welcome officially to a new gem and a great visionary, our new principal, Reverend Father Jacob Bonner D'Souza, to this temple of learning. Every person has a light within. Every ray of light that is radiated by him makes him shine in this world. This statement implies to such a great personality, Reverend Father Jacob Bonner D'Souza, who was born on 17 January 1972 at Naravi in Karnataka. Reverend Father completed his priestly training and was ordained on 16th May 2000 at St. Anthony's Church, Naravi, by Right Reverend Isidore Fernandez. Reverend Father Jacob completed his schooling from Naravi High School, Naravi in Karnataka, in the year 1989 and completed his intermediate in 1991 from St. Paul's Seminary, Lucknow. Reverend Father Jacob graduated from Allahabad University in 1995 and completed his post-graduation from Awadh University, Faizabad in 2003. He has done a Bachelor of Education in 2006 from Evin Christian College, Allahabad. He is also specialized in music from Sangeet Prabhakar Prayag Sangeet Samiti, Prayagraj. Prior to joining us, Reverend Father Jacob has shown his administrative caliber working as Vice Principal and Principal in various institutions of the Diocese of Allahabad. Reverend Father Jacob served as a Vice Principal in St. Joseph's College, Allahabad from 2006 to 2008. From 2008 to 2015, he served as the Principal of St. Francis School in Ankara. Then from 2015 till the date, Father has been serving in St. Joseph's School, Sakwa, Naini, and very soon Father will be taking up the dynamic role of Principal in St. Peter's School and College. Reverend Father Jacob is a strong, skilled leader with unwavering dedication, a bold personality with innovative thinking and creative skills. He is a great visionary who fosters positive and effective school environment where everyone can thrive. He is also committed to continuous improvement and passion for education. Such a dignified personality is Reverend Father Jacob. We hope that with your energy, experience and leadership, our institution achieves pinnacle of glory. We assure you, Father, that you will find our college a good place to work. A genial welcome to you, Reverend Father Jacob, once again. It's my privilege to welcome our outgoing principal, Reverend Father Reginald D'Souza, who stood as a supporting pillar and as an inspirational source to all of us. Reverend Father Reginald, you inspired hope, ignited it, and the instilled love for your untiring work has made St. Peter's School and College achieve greater excellence in the society. We are indeed blessed to feel secure under the shelter of a great guide like you. I owe my gracious welcome to you, Reverend Father Reginald D'Souza, on this gracious special day. A respectful welcome to our dedicated headmistress, Reverend Sister Sushila Remy. A cordial welcome to our former headmistress, Reverend Sister Antoinette, and the entire committed staff who play a vital role in this prestigious institution, and all my dear students. Once again, I welcome one and all from the deep core of my heart. Thank you.
For the introduction and verbal welcome. Dance is a meditation in movement, a walking into silence where every movement becomes prayer. To begin this event on a spiritual and graceful note, we now present before you all a sacred dance, which is innately spiritual affair to the height of divinity, and its depth is humanity. Here are the junior girls to perform our worship dance.
मेरी आत्मा होती की ज्योति पुलकित मेरी आत्मा होती, तुम ही हो प्रभु पुष्प सुगंधम, जिसकी महिमा हर पल होती। अपनी दया से मुझको सजाओ, अपनी दया से मुझको सजाओ, मन का टूटा तार मिलाओ, मुझ में समा के मुझको उठाओ। द्वार खुला है रघुवर आओ, कौन बड़ा है तुमसे जगत में, तुम ही तुम ही तुम ही तुम्हें, सरता पर्वत वृक्ष में हो तुम ही तुम ही तुम ही तुम्हें। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ।
Is the harbinger of hope and wisdom. We are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp that symbolizes dispelling of darkness and igniting of thoughts and enlightenment. It's my honor to invite our new principal, Reverend Father Jacob Bona de Souza, our present principal, Reverend Father Reginald de Souza, our headmistress, Reverend Sister Sushila Remy, our former headmistress, Reverend Sister Antoinette, teachers representatives, secondary section, Sir Francis Rego, Ma'am Sunita Bhatnagar, Ma'am Pratiksha Srivastava, teacher representative, primary section, Ma'am Shalini Kapoor, teacher representative, kindergarten, Ma'am Madhu, and Pankuri will accompany her. Supporting staff, Mr. Jeevan and Mrs. Sukrita. Student representative will light the lamp. It will also brighten your path and let your light shine so brightly that others can see their way out of the dark. Illuminates our brighter future under the guidance of our new principal.
Flowers are indeed a bounty of nature, often used to express humility and gratitude. They reflect warmth and respect. Therefore, I request our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Jacob Bona de Souza, to accept the bouquet to father and sister for doing the honors.
Heartfelt poem that reflects the essence of today's occasion. Let's lend our ears and our hearts to the poet Shraddha Vats.
Good morning to our Honorable Principal, Father Reginald de Souza. Welcome to Reverend Father Jacob Bona de Souza, our headmistress, Sister Shushila Remy, our former headmistress, Sister Antoinette, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, on this precious day, I, Shraddha Vats of class 11B, is here to recite a poem. It's a moment of transferring of legacy, a moment of acceptance, and it's an esteemed moment of reverence and gratitude. The familiar halls hold a new grace. A chapter turns, but the ink is still fresh upon the page. We stand here at the threshold of what will be. The air is charged with the promise of a new day. A sense of anticipation hangs both hopeful and free, for leadership is a journey, a guiding strand, and a vision cast upon the landscape of your land. We are the echoes of those who came before and the budding voices of what is yet to grow. We bring our eagerness, our questions whispered and clear, our individual paths converging in the shared sphere. We offer our respect, our willingness to learn and hear. We trust in the vision that now takes its hold to guide our steps on paths both known and bold. The weight of legacy meets the lightness of air. We'll look ahead to the direction you will share and to the values that will shape our care. May your wisdom be a compass and your presence a steady light. May your words inspire and your actions bright. Through the corridors of our learning day by day, leaving an imprint that will surely stay. This is not just a welcome but a joining of ways. With hopeful hearts we greet these coming days. Together we stand with purpose taking hold, our school's bright future now a story to unfold. So we welcome you with a journey that is a new and bold. Thank you.
What a yet so profound. Thank you, Shraddha, for the soulful recitation. It's now the time to bring the stage alive with colors, energy, and rhythm. Presenting vibrant dance are the students of grade 6.
Get over here tonight.
enthusiasm, such coordination. What a beautiful performance. A big round of applause for our young stars. आपका आना हमारे लिए आगमन का इंतजार था। घर बना है फिर से एक गुलज़र, घर बना है फिर से एक गुलज़र। आपका होना हमारे लिए इनाम में खास है। With this, I invite our respected Ravi sir to recite his beautiful poem.
ये प्रधानाचार्य रेवरेंड फादर रेजिनाल्ड डिसूजा जी, हेड मिस्ट्रेस रेवरेंड सिस्टर सुशीला रेंगे जी, निवर्तमान हेड मिस्ट्रेस रेवरेंड सिस्टर एंटोनेट जी, आपकी गरिमामय उपस्थिति में मैं विद्यालय के शिक्षक परिवार की तरफ से, विद्यार्थी समाज की तरफ से और सहयोगी वर्ग की तरफ से हृदय की गहराइयों से हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूं। आज इस विशिष्ट कार्यक्रम में, स्वागत समारोह में मुझे भी 2 शब्द बोलने का अवसर मिला। ये मेरे लिए परम सौभाग्य की बात है। इसके लिए मैं विद्यालय के प्रधानाचार्य महोदय जी का, विद्यालय के कल्चरल एसोसिएशन की इंचार्ज आदरणीय शिक्षिका श्रीमती कन्या द्विवेदी जी का अंतःकरण से आभार प्रकट करता हूं। आपको बताया जा चुका है, हमारे सम्मुख विद्यालय के भावी प्रधानाचार्य महोदय विद्यमान हैं, विराजमान हैं। मैं 2 पंक्तियों से आपके लिए सम्मानित अपने भाव प्रकट करना चाहता हूं। आपकी एक झलक पाने को यहाँ हर शख्स बेकरार था, आपकी एक झलक पाने को यहाँ हर शख्स बेकरार था। आज वह शुभ घड़ी आई है जिसका हम सबको मुद्दत से इंतजार था। प्रधानाचार्य महोदय बड़ी गंभीर मुद्रा में बैठे हुए हैं, ये थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है। कहते हैं ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचने के लिए थोड़ा पीछे जाना पड़ता है। एक वाकया सुनाता हूं, इसके बाद 2 पंक्तियों से अपनी बात शुरू करूंगा। कोरोना काल चल रहा था, एक सिलसिले में मुझे अमेरिका जाना पड़ा, हालांकि ये झूठ है। वहां एक दुकान पर लिखा हुआ था, हिंदी में सामान मांगने पर 50% की छूट। मैंने कहा मैं तो वही वाला हूं, इसका लाभ लेना चाहिए। मैं सामने पहुंच गया। अब वो सामने खड़ा था, बोला भैया क्या चाहिए? हमने कहा सूक्ष्म अति सूक्ष्म मुख विषाणु आगमन निर्गमन अवरोधक मुख होश नासिकादि लक्षणार्थी कारणद्वय समर्थक युगल हेतु पर टीका दे दीजिए। बोला व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? रिपीट। हमने कहा लिसन वंस अगेन। सूक्ष्म अति सूक्ष्म मुख विषाणु आगमन निर्गमन अवरोधक मुख होश नासिकादि लक्षणार्थी कारणद्वय समर्थित युगल हेतु पर टीका दे दीजिए। बोला भाई साहब आपको अंग्रेजी में बता दूं, आपको पूरे 100% की छूट दे दूंगा। मैंने कहा ये हुई ना बात। हमने गिव मी 2 मास्क, मुझे मास्क चाहिए था। आइए अब मैं साहब के सम्मान में अपने हृदय से कुछ प्रस्तुति प्रस्तुत करना।
हाथों में लेके फूलों के हार, सपने सजाए मन में अपार, श्रीमन आए हैं स्वागत के लिए। नैन
और जागे हैं भाग्य हमारे, खिल गई है बगिया और जागे हैं भाग्य हमारे, मिल गई है खुशियाँ प्यारे से मन यहाँ पर पधारे, भेंट तुम्हें देने को गुच्छ सजाए हैं स्वागत के लिए, नए लो बिछाए हैं स्वागत के लिए, हाथों में लेके फूलों के हार सपने सजाए मन में अपार श्रीमन आए हैं स्वागत के लिए, नैन सजाए हैं स्वागत के लिए। आरज़ू है इतनी सदा हम पर कृपा अपनी रखना, भटके ना कभी भी ऐसा उपकार हम पर ये करना, आरज़ू है इतनी ऐसा उपकार हम पर ये करना, भटके ना कभी भी ऐसा उपकार हम पर ये करना, चरण शरण में रखना आस लगाई है स्वागत के लिए, नैन बिछाए हैं स्वागत के लिए, हाथों में लेके फूलों के हार सपने सजाए मन में अपार श्रीमन आए हैं स्वागत के लिए, नैन बिछाए हैं स्वागत के लिए, नैन बिछाए हैं स्वागत के लिए। ये तो अर्चना और याचना थी। अभी आशा अभिलाषा इच्छा आकांक्षा कामना मनोकामना आराधना अर्चना उपासना सब आएंगे। वो नहीं है। दरअसल बन गए लगता है यहाँ सब नहीं, लेकिन समय का भी ध्यान रखता है। तो स्वागत सम्मान समारोह कोई मामूली बात नहीं है, ये सबको नहीं नसीब होता है। ये अवसर रोज नहीं मिला करते और महान विभूतियां ही हैं जो यहाँ पर आकर के इस तरह के कार्यक्रम में शिरकत करती हैं। मन की वीणा में गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, प्लीज मेंटेन साइलेंस। मन की वीणा में गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की वीणा में गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की वीणा में गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, मन की वीणा स्वागतम। कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है, आप आए अतिथियों के सरताज है। कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है, आप आए अतिथियों के सरताज है। देव की भांति पूजन करें आज हम, देव की भांति पूजन करें आज हम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की वीणा में गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की बगिया से हमने कलियां चुनी, श्रद्धा के फूलों से हमने माला बुनी। मन की बगिया से हमने कलियां चुनी, श्रद्धा के फूलों से हमने माला बुनी। करते हैं मिल के अर्पित सुमन आज हम, करते हैं मिल के अर्पित सुमन आज हम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की वीणा में गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Ravi sir, for that beautiful poem and song. Your words truly added depth and grace to our event. We are honored to have witnessed your poetic expression. Where words leave off, music begins. It is speaking in emotions and soothing our soul. Coming up next is the group song by our melodious singers.
Give us your blessings and
Wonderful. I'm sure.
In every journey of life, we seek guidance, strength and blessings to move forward with hope and courage. Today, we are truly honored to have amidst us a very special person, a shepherd to many, a beacon of faith and a source of endless inspiration, who is none other but Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza. It is a privilege for us to receive his blessings and message. With hearts full of gratitude and reverence, let us warmly welcome Reverend Father Jacob Bona to share his thoughts and bless us all.
Say loudly, good morning, Father. Yes, that sounds better. Dear Reverend Father Reginald D'Souza, the outgoing principal, dear Sister Sushila, whom I know very well, she was with me in Mirzapur, the headmistress of this St. Peter's School, the former headmistress, Sister Antoinette, sisters, teachers, and very especially my dear students. With deep humility and honor, I stand in front of you as the newly appointed principal of this school. And I accept the responsibility with a great vision. That is to nurture the young minds, to shape the character, and also to bring out the best from each individual child who has been given to my care. And as I begin this new journey today, during this journey, I would like to concentrate on three important pillars of education. That is, first and foremost, your character formation, my dear students. I would like to see each and every student imbibing and inculcating the values of sincerity, honesty, humility, commitment, and dedication. Because it is said, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. And if character is lost, everything is lost, my dear students. And believe me, remember me, your character will be your identity. You may have everything in life, name, fame, plenty of money. But if you are a characterless person, everything will be a waste. Life will be a waste. So that's why the first and foremost pillar that I would like to concentrate is your character formation. Second pillar is the discipline. Discipline is the gap and the bridge between your goals and your achievement. Discipline does not only mean following the rules and regulations, but it means a sense of self-control, sense of punctuality, a sense of responsibility, sense of accountability. And only an environment where there is discipline, we can see a learning environment, environment of creativity, where the best creativity of the child is able to come out. That is, with the kind of discipline that we have. And the third pillar is your academic excellence. Academic excellence does not mean that I try to prove better than others. That is not the only thing. The academic excellence means I compete with myself. I compete with myself to bring out the best from me, and then I give out my best with my hard work, commitment, and dedication. And with these three pillars, I'm sure, with the experienced faculty here, with the support of these experienced teachers, and with the cooperation of the parents, I'm sure we'll be able to do our best. We'll be able to bring out the best from each and every child who is given to our care. Robert Frost, the famous English poet, says, there are promises to keep and there are miles to go. Yes, I'm sure. There are promises to keep, there are miles to go, long way to go. But then, as I said, with your cooperation, teachers' experience and the support and the cooperation of the parents, we will be able to give our best and keep up that legacy of this great school, St. Peter's School, and continue the good work that has been done by the predecessors, that is Father Reggie and all other fathers, and to take this school to greater heights. With these thoughts, I would like to also thank Reverend Father Reginald D'Souza, the outgoing principal, for the wonderful leadership work that he has done in these last 5 years. He is the Diocese Vicar General, so many responsibilities on his shoulder, and there are other commissions on his shoulder. In spite of having so many responsibilities in the diocese level, he has done a very good job as a leader here in this school, as a principal of this school. And that is why your results of the school are the witness for this. Let's all clap for the region, also for the students who have taught this school. Let's all clap for them loudly. I assure you, Father Reggie, that we will work hard with commitment and dedication to take this school to greater heights and do our best and keep the motto of this school, love, truth and knowledge in a high pedestal. Once again, thank you and God bless you. We will always pray for Reggie, Father Reggie, for the wonderful work that he has done. May God be with you, He may give you strength, protect you and guide you and take care of you in all the new undertakings that God has given to you. May He be with you, bless you and bless all your endeavors. Thank you, God bless you all.
I request Father Jacob to receive this heartfelt token of gratitude. Now let's proceed towards the most awaited symbolic transfer of key, a traditional gesture representing the transfer of responsibilities and leadership of our school. I request our esteemed outgoing principal, Reverend Father Reginald D'Souza, to hand over the key with the motto of our school, love, truth and knowledge, to our highly anticipated incoming principal, Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza officially. The transfer of key epitomizes the handover of responsibility and the grant of authority. Incoming principals.
Respected Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza, the newly appointed principal of St. Peter's School and College. Reverend Sister Sushila Remy, the headmistress of St. Peter's School and College. The former headmistress, Reverend Sister Antoinette. The faculty members, especially the esteemed teachers of St. Peter's School and College, and very especially my dear students, children, and the supportive staff. Officially, I believe this would be my final exhortation to each and every one of you. I don't want to bore you because you have heard not for 5 years, at least for 3 years from this stage here. First and foremost, I very specially and cordially welcome Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza, the newly appointed principal of this college. Let me tell you that Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza and myself, we got together in class 8th We studied together as you are studying here, sitting like this. It was a school called Naravi High School, about which Mrs. Rekha has already informed to you. And from class 8 onwards, we have journeyed in life together. In the school, in the college, in the seminary life, in the priesthood life, and in between in music school in Pachmadi. So Father Jacob Bona is known to me much more than anybody else in the whole of Diocese of Allahabad. Because this was the journey of friendship, a journey of cooperation, a journey of understanding, a journey of cordiality for each one of us, and also a journey in the thick and thin of life for long 40 years around. Today I am honored very specially when I am handing over this responsibility to Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza of St. Peter's School and College. It is the interchange. Father comes from St. Mary's Intercollege, Mirzapur, and I go to his place. We are mutually exchanging the responsibilities. And I really feel honored. The right person has arrived to Rai Bareilly. To speak about Father Jacob Bona, is a very hard-working person. And also his vision, his motto, his roadmap is always very clear. And he walks in the enlightened path. And he means what he does. Because I know Father Jacob for 40 years walking along with him, every situation and circumstances. He walks the way, or he walks the talk. That's what is the expression. Walk the talk. That's what is Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza is. And very especially he is endowed with such a beautiful talent that is music. Whether it is a keyboard, or a guitar, or a tabla, or a violin, you speak of any instrument, Reverend Father Jacob Bona is equally competent in all the instruments, as well as is given a beautiful voice to sing. He has composed innumerable songs. He has got in his credit almost 6 CDs. And that has been already, people have been singing the songs of the hymns that are sung in the church. See, the whole of Diocese of Allahabad, if I can tell you, he is one of the best musicians that we have in every sphere, whether it is English and very especially the classical Hindustani classical music. And he is Sangeet Prabhakar too, and we have studied this music, but he is much more better talented than myself. So you have a principal here who is going to take you to the great and greatest heights, whether it is in the education field or a music field or any extracurricular activities, whatever you speak, that would happen in the portals of St. Peter's School and College, and also in the whole of Rai Bareilly. Wherever you go, definitely you will bring laurels along with Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza, the new principal. As I am going away from here, and this would be almost a last speech along with, I will be speaking to you later, but I would like to thank you also very specially for being here in this 5 years, though I could not be with you for full 5 years physically. I was appointed as a principal when there were no children, no students physically here, you were on online. But then definitely we got together 3 years before. So I would like to thank you also, and very especially because there will be another program where we will be speaking more about it. But today is the welcome ceremony and introducing the new principal here. So I would like to very especially on behalf of the staff of St. Peter's School and College, the headmistress, the former headmistress, and my dear students and children, on behalf of each and every one of you, and also the supportive staff, welcome Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza to the portals of St. Peter's School and College, and wish him all the very best for the future to come. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Father, for sharing your thoughts and blessing us all.
Dance is the hidden language of soul, an expression where words fall short but emotions rise high. We are about to witness a performance that blends in tradition with modernity, energy in elegance, a beautiful fusion of various dance styles brought together by variant talents depicting unity in diversity, where different cultures, rhythms, and spirits come together on one stage creating music. Each step, each beat, each twirl, you will see in the hard work, passion, and endless rehearsals. So, get ready to be mesmerized. Get ready to tap your feet and let your hearts dance along with the stars of grade 7 as they set the stage on fire with their fusion dance. artistry by grade 7 students. The appreciation is incomplete without a big round of applause. So once again, let's give them a huge round of applause. Invite Ayat Khan and Syed Astar Naqvi to propose the vote of thanks.
And motivates unaligned seeds to sprout. A heartfelt morning to Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza, Reverend Father Reginald D'Souza, our headmistress Reverend Sister Sushila Ravi, former headmistress Sister Antoinette, esteemed faculty and dear students. I am Ayat Khan
and I am Syed Astar Naqvi, and we are extremely privileged to proffer a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of welcoming our new principal.
First of all, we would like to extend our gratitude to the Divine Providence, Almighty Lord, for guiding us through this transitional phase and having blessed us with a leader who embodies sagacity, vision, and pedagogical excellence. We are grateful to Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza for joining our institution and bringing his expertise to our community. We would also like to pay our tribute to Reverend Father Reginald D'Souza for our principal for his unwavering dedication and unrelenting passion to our institution's missions and values, which truly have been instrumental in shaping its trajectory towards success. We will be forever indebted for your legacies and foundations. We are also beholden to our entire staff, including administration, teaching, non-teaching and support staff for their collective endeavors and synergy, which truly created an ecosystem where learning and academic excellence thrives.
Thanks to all our schoolmates for your dynamism, enthusiasm and innate potential, which are the lifeblood of our institution. Special thanks to all the performers for adding colors to the program. The acts and performances set up on the stage were astoundingly marvelous. And we are also grateful to all the members of the student body who have worked tirelessly both on and behind the stage in turning this event into a flourishing success. Thanks to all the students for being such a wonderful audience. As we embark on this new chapter, we are sanguine that Reverend Father Jacob Bona D'Souza will lead us towards a bright, illustrious future. As we eagerly anticipate witnessing our growth and development under the astute guidance of our new principal. Thank you once again to one and all who have contributed in turning this event into a resounding success. Thank you.
May I now request all of you to kindly rise for